Hey guys, welcome back to the live recording of my live trade. Today is Tuesday on the 8th of October, New York AM session. And the time is 8:51 AM. Okay, so that's where the time is, 8:51 AM. So on the hourly chart, I have identified the hourly resistance and hourly support. This also coincides with the daily support over here. Okay, as you can see, these are all the daily support. Right, so the 1 hour support is now residing inside the daily support, so that is rather strong, well, very strong. At the moment I have this one scenario playing out. Right, we have built a 1 hour resistance with the 7 AM candle, although it's not very strong. This bearish candle is not a really strong resistance, but it is a resistance regardless. And I've marked down a a 5-minute support over here, okay, and a nice clean range to the downside over here, right, going towards the 1 hour support. Okay, so if price breaks through this 5 minutes support, okay, with a volume, and it breaks what do you call it, it breaks more than 5 pips, sorry, I lost my train of thought just then, I will catch the short, right, as an internal breakout play. Why? Because it's still inside, prices still inside this 1 hour resistance, okay, yeah, and then I will take the short play right into this area here, right, into this blue line. Okay, that's what I will do, and this, I've identified this will be the area of my stop loss. Okay, we'll see. And if the 9 AM candle eventually breaks this 1 hour resistance, okay, if it actually closes above it on the hourly candle, what I would do, right, I will capitalize on the move up. Okay, so this will be my closest TP, right? So actually there are two scenarios. If the 9 AM candle closes above the resistance, right, and I will go down to the 5 minutes, and I would like to see some sort of support created, okay, and then upon a break of that resistance, I would then catch it to the upside, yeah, to that TP line over here, the blue line. Okay, but the 1 hour candle, the 9 AM candle, has to close above it. All right, so if so like this, yeah, so the 9 AM candle has to close above it first before I'm interested in catching a long play to the upside. But what I'm looking for, yeah, so it has to close like that, like so, yeah, the 1 hour candle, it has to close above it for me to be interested in catching the long on the 5 minutes. Okay, so that's scenario number 2. Scenario number 1 is still for price to still trapped inside this 1 hour range, and then on the 5 minute it breaks the 5 minute support down here. Okay, now we are inside the 9 AM candle, right? The time is now 9:01. Okay, so that was the 8 AM candle. So it was a resistance regardless, but not a great you know, resistance. Yeah, I don't, just by looking at it, it looks like just a pullback or retracement of this strong bullish push. Remember, this is actually a 1 hour support residing inside a daily support, guys. So it is, I expect it to be very strong. I just sorry, I just marked down the previous swing high that's closest to price right now, which is this one. This is sort of a swing high as well, but yeah, this is not a great swing high, in my opinion. I think this is going to be quite easily sort of broken through. And there's another swing high over here and one up there. Oh, let me just move this here. It's a resistance. Okay. I think I'm just gonna take this out, yeah, because this the reason why I just took this out, remove the swing high, although it is actually a swing high, because the only reason for me to use a swing high is I'm pairing it up with my failed breakout play. Failed breakout is when the hourly candle has not, it's actually at the resistance, for example, right? The hourly candle hasn't closed yet, but it has tapped or touched the resistance and the previous swing high, previous swing low, previous day high, previous day low. Now on the 5 minutes, let's say price has broken or closed, a few of the 5-minute candles has closed above that resistance. I am looking for the 1 minute displacement right to the downside to catch price going back inside the range again, and I can get a good decent RR, risk to reward, that way. Okay, and that's the only reason why I'm pairing it up with ICT 2022 model. And this is not an external liquidity, right? This is not, because there's no support and resistance in my opinion. I mean, through my eyes anyway, there's no support resistance here. So I only have resistance up there and support down here. Okay, so yeah, so I've taken that out. So I'm only interested in a reversal if price is inside this 1 hour resistance, tap into this previous swing high, or inside this 1 hour support and has taken out this previous swing low. But because we are so far below that external liquidity point, obviously this is impossible for this session for price to actually reach that level. Yeah, for price to break this resistance, it is likely for price to reverse, have some sort of reaction or pull back, or even test this support again one more time. It is more possible than playing a reversal up there. It's probably sometime tomorrow or at some point this week. But yeah, just gonna sit back and wait. I'm moving my potential stop loss if price breaks this 5-minute support here, because that is the most logical structural place to put my stop loss as a resistance. Yeah, but unless obviously if price does this, right, and create a closer resistance, right, before it breaks that support, of course I'm gonna move my stop loss over there, you know. Now I'll move it over here. Yeah, but I don't know yet. I'm just moving as we go. We are 15 minutes into the 9 AM candle and 15 minutes away from NYSE opens. Okay. Alright, so far we have a push down on the open of New York, 8 o'clock candle. And then we went sideways for a little bit, push up, but then it fell to take out the open, and there's a bit of a rejection here. It depends on the next few candles, but yeah, it's got a decent body, but I never liked a rejection when the wick is on the opposite side. Yeah, so this whole area is actually a bit of a consolidation phase. We just wait and see until price decide to either break this 5-minute support or the 9am candle close above this resistance. Other than that, I'm just gonna sit here and wait. By the way guys, I've just released a brand new video today. The link is down below in the description. Make sure you go and check it out. Alright, we are now 9:23 a.m. and we are 7 minutes away from NYSE. Price still ranging, no changes. And we're 35 minutes away from the 9am candle to close. Okay, some bullish push there. So far we have, although it's ranging, but the low has been creating a higher low here, a higher low, a higher low, and another higher low. Okay, so so here, and here. Yeah, so it's just been creating a higher low altogether. Oops. Whoa, look at that. All right, we are 2 minutes away from NYSE. Yeah, look, judging from the way this candle is forming, it is unlikely. This is most likely a retracement or a pullback. Such a weak resistance. I did mention in the beginning of this video. That's fine. It's okay. This is a nice range too, you know. So if price can close above this, what's this? Okay, so yeah, that's no, the 30 seconds before NYSE opens. Well, it's gonna go up because it's got a swing low, and then NYSE, it's got a long top wick as well. Yeah, okay. Cool. Alright, so that means I can't do anything until the 9M candle close above this, and then I will look for some fresh resistance to be broken, if there is any. Okay. If price decide to go straight up, then this will be my resistance, my 5 minutes resistance. I'm gonna remove this. Alright, we're 2 minutes away. Okay, that clean range has been broken, the 5 minute support. Okay, if this actually close below the support, I will put a sell and I will exit here for quick scalp. Yeah, but I don't think it, yeah, it doesn't leave me any any more room to move. Yeah, there's not much room to move. Yeah, it's broken that 5-minute support by 33 pips. Okay, was expecting less than that, much less than that actually. I'm gonna remove that. I'll remove this. All right, another potential move. Yeah, to be honest, I'm not convinced with this swing low now. Just because after what price does. I was wrong with this one. I thought that was not a very good swing high. Okay, I think price would reach that original TP. Yeah, such a shame. The NYSE volume, it took out 65 points. Sorry, 65 pips out of 76 pips. Yeah, so if I did, yeah, it's not great at all. That's fine. Yep. Yeah, but I didn't place the order. I canceled the order. Just wasn't great. Wow, that's where I had my TP originally. So some strong reaction there. Nope, price still wants to come down. we are on a daily. Although we've been going sideways, but you can tell that there's an urge to to go lower. Yeah, because this candle, let me just, so this candle, today's candle, right? Today's daily candle, it has taken out last week's and previous day low, right? Okay, so I've got my alert triggered. It just took out the previous swing low. Okay, we'll see. This is not the reaction that I am expecting when price tap into previous swings, actually just any lows or highs. But we'll see. I was expecting a little bit more with a bit of a kick. Time now is close to 11 minutes from the 9 a.m. candle to close. Okay, bit of a reaction there. Now there's a possibility if this close bearish, that means I have a support 5 minutes and I have a resistance in 5 minutes if this close bearish, like so. Yeah, all right. And that will be, yeah, so if price, all right, price got rejected on this 1 hour resistance, came all the way down here, hit the 1 hour support, took out the previous swing low liquidity, hit the 1 hour 4 hour daily support here, down here. Price say now making some sort of range, break that range at 5 minutes resistance, use the support as my stop loss, and then I would take it here. Yeah, because there's a nice clean traffic over to the left hand side. Okay, it's closing bearish, looks like it, on the 5 minutes. Okay, some nice reaction there, guys. Yeah, but this is not the displacement that I'm looking for on the 1 minute. Okay, where are we now? So okay, we are 3 minutes away from the 9 a.m. candle closing. Yeah, this is a pretty nasty looking candle. Look at this. It's a huge body, but look at the length of the wicks on both sides. It doesn't know what it wants to do. Yeah, this is not a displacement. Okay, 2 minutes away from 9 a.m. candle to close. Right, so 9 a.m. candle is about to close bearish in what, 6 seconds. Okay. I think the 4-hour, yeah, okay, so yeah, the 4-hour candle has closed as well. Yeah, this is a very indecisive candle. Very indecisive. This. So the past 4 hours, it doesn't know exactly what it wants to do. Look at the range. 217 pips. And you have no idea what you want to do. It's a pretty decent reaction off of the support and the previous swing low. But yeah, this was not a the best, what do you call it, displacement. And if I was gonna take it, yeah, price didn't come into that fair value gap anyway, so can't take it. It was the turnaround point, or this one. Yeah, so I would have actually placed an order somewhere below here. That's fine, I'll just wait. So we have this good traffic here. Yeah, it is really hard to say for the next hour or two. I mean, I only have one more hour of trading window. I would not take any trades if by 11 o'clock I don't have any setup. Yeah, this 4-hour candle is very hard to say because for the past 4 hours since London lunchtime and overlapping New York opens and NYSE as well in this candle, this is just very indecisive. Very indecisive. Yeah, because we are now inside the 10 a.m. candle on the hourly, and price still on the hourly has not broken this or closed above this 1 hour resistance, which means if I'm following my system to the T, then there is not going to be any trade on the external breakout play, right? On this, actually, yeah, it's supposed to be all the way there. Yeah, so absolutely impossible for price. I mean, for the next hour, for the next, not hour, 50 minutes. So at the time we have 50 minutes, that's the time to close above that. That's impossible. So if anything, yeah, see if there's anything inside here. Yeah, everything is very super tight. I very unlikely I would get a setup today, guys, just because how the candle forms. I mean, that was my setup before when price broke that 5-minute support, but then the NYSE took it excuse me, took it very close to my TP, right, which is here. And yeah, I just wasn't comfortable taking that trade with such a huge stop loss. Wow, look at that. That was a nice retracement. I mean, yeah, nice retracement, that one. Now that I've thought about it. Yeah, so if I took that as a previous swing high and then set the alert, if I didn't cancel it, price took that out, snap. So that was the, yeah, that's the displacement I was looking for. 50% that I would have, yeah, yeah. Yeah, a bit too late now, but yeah, come to think about it. That was a displacement. Yeah, so that would be a 1.1 RR. Yeah, price should continue lower if this is the case. Just trying to review the swing high. Yeah, it didn't look great as a swing high. That's why I removed it. Had I not removed it, I would have actually taken that displacement. Yeah, I'm going to call it an early day today, guys. Yeah, just by looking at price, I mean, if price did end up breaking lower, and I mean, yeah, which is below this 1 hour support, that's outside of my trading hours. If price did break the 1 hour resistance, again, it's outside of my trading hour. On a 5 minutes on the, like, so internally, right? So just remove that as a fair value gap, not a resistance. So internally, there's still a bit of a clean range here from here to here. Just because of its volatility, it's got like 52 pips. But yeah, I just don't like the fact that price has been whipsawing back and forth. So for the past hour, yeah, so I'm not too comfortable taking price from here today, and I'm even more uncomfortable to take a short somewhere here, right down here. That just doesn't make sense. Yeah, it's just too weak. Yeah, before I take any dumb decisions and stupid trades, better call it a day. Yeah, no trade for me today, guys. I guess if I were to review back, yeah, that 1 hour swing high it wouldn't be a A+ setup because just the way the swing high was formed. But in terms of the entry, the confirmation, I would have gotten here on the first pullback. Where was it? Okay, so I would have gotten somewhere here, right? So this would be my, where is it? Yeah, that would be my pullback. Right, I would have gotten there, right? Okay, and I would have push my, what do you call it? Let me just forward. Yeah, I would have put my stop loss to break even now, right? Although I was in profit. Yeah, like I said, guys, it's just not looking great. I don't like how price is moving like this, right? It would have been a lot better to have a sharp move down and just break this 1 hour support altogether, or earlier to break that 1 hour resistance. But okay, not a problem. Yeah, but please do check out my other video, guys, the one that I just released today. I've dropped the link down below in the description, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading and stay well, guys.